Hello, hello. Welcome to the world of digital customer experience. Akshay and I come from two different worlds, and we are always intrigued by each other's perspectives. And that's why we're here today. We're here to bring you insightful and casual chats right from our office space. So grab your coffee, get ready to elevate your customer experience. Hi, my name is Vishali Delani, and I work as a senior customer experience strategist. My focus is designing experiences that integrate emotions in the world of technology.
Hi, my name is Akshay Sura. I've been focusing on helping businesses enhance their digital customer experience and thrive in their digital landscape.
Hi, Akshay. How are you doing today?
I'm good, Vaishali. How about you?
All good. It's just been such a crazy week. But, as a customer experience strategist, I'm very curious to hear about your perspective on who do you think is a customer?
Yeah, in my mind, customer can be anyone, right? Anyone who needs a service. So it really is funny to think about it, but an agency, a full service digital agency can be a customer, a product
Hmm.
company, a service company, anyone can be a customer depending on what services you're looking for,
Yeah,
really.
I absolutely agree. I always foresee in the world of technology, especially, I foresee customer having emotions and how you can integrate their emotions to drive a better usable experience for them. And that's where the focus is, and that's what we design at Converse, right?
Yeah.
Um, well, how do you think it impacts a business? As a business owner yourself?
Um, Driving revenue, right? Like, so in terms of being a customer, if you know your customer really well, know what they are into, what segment they are, how their customers or consumers perceive them, it drives a customer's business. It drives the impact on how they grow and how fast they grow.
Yeah.
But every service that a company like ours offers has multiple sides to it. So from a marketer's perspective, like, I just want to know, how do you think a marketer can affect a customer?
I think, understanding their needs, wants, and preferences is the first step to be able to understand the requirements and exactly understand what are they even looking for to be able to design that kind of experience drives down to that. Most of the times when we work within the world of technology, everyone's always like, hey, what are we building? And let's get it built and move on, right? But hey, take a second back and think, is this component actually going to work for the customer? Is this what the content editor wants to display to the customer? Understanding who your customer is also helps you segment the customer base and say, actually A wants something and B wants something else, which then takes the next step of being able to optimize their touch points and actually say, you know what, I like how A wants to be onboarded in a certain way, and then get personalized messages accordingly. And most importantly, if you know who your customer is, you can create content that resonates, but also as a business you can showcase content in a way that's more digestible because you know your customer.
That's interesting, the way you say it, right? I feel like most of the time, even from the tech perspective, people don't take the chance to know your customer. They just jump straight in. Like, it would make sense from a technical perspective to know, all right, your customers in this particular section of segment, this is the language they use in order to communicate. This is how their consumers or partners or distributors consume that content, whether it's video as being the primary or content. What existing platforms do they use? Sometimes feel like technologists don't really look at all of that, and they just look at, okay, this is a problem to solve, I'm going to solve it. They don't even spend their time looking at if something's the customer's already doing. So yeah, there's a more holistic way of looking at a customer to see and know who they are before you actually act on it, whether it's marketing or technology, it sounds like to me.
100%. And I think, both of us come from such different worlds. What would be the one takeaway you would give to our audience listening here today of who is a customer?
Like I said, anyone who needs a service is a customer, but listen, I guess, ask questions and listen to your customer before you act on it.
Ah, you stole mine. Okay, I absolutely agree with you. And with that, we look forward to seeing you in our next episode. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.